Does GoDaddy use Cloudflare? GoDaddy and Cloudflare operate as separate entities, each offering distinct services in the domain registration, hosting, and web security sectors. GoDaddy does not inherently use Cloudflare's services within its infrastructure. However, users can integrate Cloudflare's features with their GoDaddy managed domains to enhance website performance and security. 1. Integrating Cloudflare with GoDaddy domains. Users can configure their GoDaddy registered domains to utilize Cloudflare's services by adjusting DNS settings. Changing nameservers. Log into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the Domain Management section. Update the domain's nameservers to those provided by Cloudflare. This setup allows Cloudflare to manage DNS, providing benefits like improved site speed and enhanced security. 2. Benefits of using Cloudflare with GoDaddy. Integrating Cloudflare with a GoDaddy domain offers several advantages. Content Delivery Network, CDN, distributes website content across global servers, reducing latency for visitors. Security Enhancements provides protection against DDoS attacks and malicious traffic. SSL/TLS Support offers free SSL certificates, ensuring secure connections. Performance Optimization features like caching and image optimization improve load times. 3. Considerations when using Cloudflare with GoDaddy. Before integrating, consider the following. DNS Management. Once nameservers are changed to Cloudflare, DNS management shifts from GoDaddy to Cloudflare's platform. Email services. Ensure MX records and other email-related DNS entries are correctly configured in Cloudflare to maintain email functionality. Propagation time. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to propagate fully, though they often complete sooner.